कर्नाटक के ताजिरों के लिए अहम खबर। मुस्लिम इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट एसोसिएशन एमआई की जानिब से बिजनेस समिट 2024 का इनेकाद फरवरी के 3 और 4 को सिंगार पैलेस ग्राउंड बेंगलुरु में मुनक्कद हो रहा है। इस सिलसिले में एमआई की जानिब से सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर मीट बुलाई गई थी, जिसमें बड़ी तादाद में सोशल मीडिया के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ने इस समिट में शिरकत की गुजारिश की है।
Hi everyone, I'm Sana Ahmed. I'm a bridal makeup artist by profession. I am on Instagram the name of Makeup by Sana Ahmed. So you can find me on social media with this name. So today I'm here to talk about the business summit which is happening on 3rd and 4th of February in Shringar Palace Grounds, gate number 8. So this the business summit is divided into 4 parts. So one is like conference, second is exhibition, third is Era of Innovations, and fourth is Minfluencers Awards Night. So as an influencer, I'll be more than happy to attain the Minfluencers Awards, where you have to nominate yourself to gain more knowledge about the influencing marketing. And as a Muslim, I'll be more than happy to come and witness the era of innovations, where we have like 50 plus scholars, women scholars, and 40 plus men scholars. We have like scientists who have discovered and innovated things which has been displayed. So I am going to come and witness that, and I request everybody from your family, please do come and witness this scholars' achievements in innovations. And as an entrepreneur, I'll be definitely more than happy and more than collaborative to visit all the stalls in the exhibition, where I can go and meet people and witness their businesses, and I can collaborate with them. So I request you all to come, because it's a free of cost 2 days of events. Please come with your families and witness all these things happening. But as an entrepreneur, I want you all to register for the conference. We have a limited edition for the conference. Please do come. As an entrepreneur, you will be learning so many things, because we have 15 plus speakers coming from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. They are going to talk about the expertise, whatever they hold, and they are going to share the knowledge about the particular things. We have topics, different topics to be discussed there. And we will be learning so many things in that, the challenges what we face in our businesses. If you have a business and you are facing a challenge, or you want to start a business and you don't know where to start, how to start, MIA is here with a conference where you can learn, collaborate, explore and grow. Please do come and visit the conference. Thank you so much.
So what's up beautiful people, I hope all are doing good, great and amazing. So guys, my name is Umesh Khan and his name is Salaam 77, हमारा user ID. तो हमारे बेंगलोर के अंदर एक ज़बरदस्त एक्सपो होने को है, which is from 19 years जो चलने को आने को है, और इनका फिर से इवेंट होने को है, which is on 3rd February and 4th February. खासियत क्या मालूम, ये इवेंट है देखो MIA मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को और आगे बढ़ाते, नॉट ओनली मुस्लिम, द एंटायर कम्युनिटी के लोग आगे बढ़ाते हैं. एंड मेक श्योर यू पीपल आर कमिंग टू दिस इवेंट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, एंड एक अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड होता. देखो हर एक्सपो में देखो खाली ये दिखाती, कपड़े दिखाती, फूड दिखाती, बट तुम्हें मालूम ये इवेंट में एक और एक खासियत चीज़ है, जो भी हैदराबाद से लेकर पूरी दुनिया के जो बड़े बड़े मशीन्स ही मालूम, वो मशीन्स ले लेगा को दिखा रही हैं, राइट. सो आई वुड एक्चुअली रिक्वेस्ट यू एंड योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स टू बी ओवर हियर, एंड हमें 2 जने भी रहती है वहाँ, तो मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shazeen here. I'm basically an home baker, and my Insta ID is Shaz Cake Tray. So what I want to tell you all about is the business summit, which is going to happen on Shringar Palace on 3rd and 4th Feb. So I want you to be a part of it. So you'll be having you'll be having different varieties wherein you can take the stall. You'll be having a conference meet, and it's basically all about the exhibition. You can come explore it. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. मैं वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर रिफा तस्वी. तो आज मुझे MIA वाले इनवाइट किए थे, तो आज इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मीट थी. माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा गई मीटिंग. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इंशाल्लाह 3rd और 4th को श्रृंगार पैलेस थर्ड एंड फोर्थ श्रृंगार पैलेस में एग्जीबिशन होने वाला है इंशाल्लाह, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह फर्स्ट डे सैटरडे को थर्ड को हमारे डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर DK शिव कुमार सर आने वाले हैं, और फोर्थ को इंशाल्लाह चीफ मिनिस्टर सिद्धरामैया सर आने वाले हैं। इंशाल्लाह आप सब आइए, मैं भी आ रही हूँ इंशाल्लाह। आप सब हमारे साथ आइए, जुड़िए, एंजॉय करें, और इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे थर्ड एंड फोर्थ में। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, दुआ में याद रखें।
Myself Sufia Fatima. Alhamdulillah, Muslim Industrial Association is organized a business summit, that is second edition, powered by Muslim Industrial Association, that is MIA. This exhibition is of conference, expo, industrial visits, everything. That is on 3rd and 4th February, Saturday, Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. where we will be having a conference of day 1, that is chief guest will be a DK Shiv Kumar ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. We are really humble requesting all the people to spread this awareness of this exhibition. And in day 2 there will be a chief guest will be a Shri Siddaramaiah ji, Chief Minister of Karnataka, and there will be a chief guest, chief guest also. We would like to everyone to come and visit. There you will have an interact with many startups, entrepreneurs. You will get a beautiful speeches with an entrepreneurs. You will have a message with them. You will interact with everybody. There will be exhibition that which is free of cost, no money. You can have, and there will be manufacturers of from Pinya Industries from all over the states, and please do come and visit. That is on 3rd and 4th February.
My name is Tanveer Ahmad. I'm the Joint Secretary of Muslim Industrialist Association. Now I'm going to talk about the third segment of this event of Business Summit, which is Era of Innovations. What is Era of Innovations? We are going to display 40 women scholars right from the day 1 till today. The women scholars has been, what are the new era of innovations has been done, we are going to display that. There are another 40 scientists of Muslims will be displayed in this arena, which we have a 2 segment of arena where there will be 2 parts of women scholars as well as the men scientists there. Inshallah, please do visit the stall of Era of Innovations, which is 40 by 80 size of stall, which will have a real impact to the students who knows about the Era of Innovations. Jazakallah khair. This is Tanveer Ahmad, Joint Secretary of Muslim Industrialist Association.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Noor Fatima, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all and invite you for an amazing upcoming business summit held on 3rd and 4th of February at Shringhar Palace. We are going to be having big dignitaries join us there on both the days, and also the event is segregated into multiple categories, starting with conference, then we have exhibition where we are having stalls. So this is definitely an amazing opportunity for you to exhibit your businesses and to gain a lot of visibility for your business and also for yourself. So yeah, I would definitely recommend every one of you, including your family members, to please bring them along with you and come for the upcoming business summit. Thank you so much.
So will you be inviting